In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the display language on your Google Ads account, whether you're working with a team that speaks multiple languages or simply prefer your account in a different language. This step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to make the switch quickly and easily. Let's begin by heading over to your Google Ads account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the overview page. This is where you'll see a snapshot of your account performance, but today we're focusing on the language settings. So let's move on by navigating towards the admin area. Next up, you want to hover your cursor over the admin section. This is usually located towards the upper part of your screen. Hovering here brings up a drop-down menu with various administrative tools and settings. We want to focus on these because within them lies the key to changing your display language. Now keep your eyes peeled for the Preferences option in that menu. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Preferences. This section is where you can tailor some of your account settings to better suit your needs, including changing the language. Once you're in Preferences, you'll see a lot of various personalization and settings options, but you want to look for the one that says Display Language and Number Format. This option is crucial because it's where you can choose how you view the content within your account. After clicking on Display Language and Number Format, you'll see the current language setting highlighted. Typically it defaults to English US for many users, but now it's time to make that change. Click on the currently selected language, and this will open up a list of the available languages. You'll see a variety of language options appear, ranging from common global languages to more localized options, depending on your region. From here, simply scroll through the list and select the language that best suits your preferences or your team's needs. After you've selected the desired language, make sure any additional settings you want are refined, and then just save the changes. Your display language will update pretty much instantly, and you can continue managing your campaigns in your newly selected language. So, there you have it. Changing the display language on your Google Ads account is as straightforward as navigating through these few steps. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with Google Ads, setting up your account in the language you're most comfortable with is a small change that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below.